All objects with temperature will emit infrared radiation. The higher the temperature, the stronger the infrared radiation. Using an infrared camera, you can find out who is masturbating in public. Infrared radiation is generated by the thermal motion of molecules inside an object. All microscopic particles are constantly moving in an irregular manner. For example, although the carbon dioxide molecule is electrically neutral, the oxygen atom in the molecule contains more electrons. Carbon atoms are negatively charged, while carbon atoms are positively charged. When it vibrates, it generates electromagnetic waves. Each molecule has a different vibration mode. When carbon dioxide absorbs a certain amount of heat for vibration, it generates electromagnetic waves with a wavelength of about 1000 nanometers. The wavelength of infrared light is between 760 nanometers and 1 millimeter, which is longer than visible light. If a molecule releases a photon with an energy of 1 electron volt, its wavelength is 1240 nanometers, which belongs to the infrared range. In fact, objects with a temperature higher than absolute zero will release infrared radiation. The average temperature of the human body is about 37 degrees Celsius, which can continuously emit infrared rays with a wavelength of 10,000 nanometers. The higher the temperature, the more violent the irregular movement of molecules, the higher the intensity of infrared radiation, and the shorter the wavelength. The infrared rays released by low-temperature objects have a longer wavelength, and the human eye cannot see infrared rays. But some animals, such as snakes and frogs, can sense infrared light and catch prey hiding in the dark.